Use Cricfy TV in mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get and use Cricfy TV in your mobile device. So if you're using an iOS device, just open your App Store, or if you're using an Android mobile phone, just open your Play Store. And after that, on the search bar, just simply search for Cricfy TV. And if you see that this application is not coming in your App Store or in your Play Store, just make sure to turn on your VPN, because Cricfy is not available in all the countries right now. So once you're there, just simply click on Get and just install the application in your mobile device. And once you install the application, you will be able to see this kind of interface. So basically, Cricfy is a app which you can use for regular sports streaming and other things. So you can go ahead and download the application quite easily from your App Store if it is available in your region, and after that start using it while following the on-screen instructions.